We are going to factorize quadratic expressions. I have x square plus 6x plus 5. It's not a perfect square. So when we have to factorize it, we have to break the midterm. Midterm break means we have to make factors of 5. 5 ones are 5. In such a way that when we add the two factors, we get 6, and when we multiply the two factors, we get 5. For this, I take all factors of 5 as 5 is a prime number. So I have only two options, 1 and 5. Moreover, these two signs, plus and this plus, these two signs decide how we are going to take the factors. Here, if we add 1 and 5, we get 6, and if we multiply 1 and 5, we get 5. So, as it is the simplest possible question, I will take x and 5x, make 6x plus this 5. When I shall make the pairs, I will take first two and last two. From first two, I shall take x common, remaining x plus 1. And when I shall take 5 common, I shall have x plus 1. If I have to check, I can easily multiply x square plus x ones are x plus 5x plus 5 ones are 5. This bracket should be same. If it is same, then your working is right. If this bracket is not same, so it means you are doing wrong. Now this is the answer, x plus 1, the common bracket you have taken in the start and the remaining item at the end. Okay, the same question, if I just change this sign, I make it minus, what would happen? You have to change these both signs. Minus 1 minus 5 will make minus 6. Again this sign will be negative, x common, inside minus 1, and this minus sign outside, it will make this sign negative. And finally x minus 1 and x minus 5 will be answered. The next question is x square plus x minus 2. Definitely same question, as 2 is a prime number, so you have only two factors, 1 and 2. Now this sign is negative. It means that your two factors are going to be subtracted. If this sign is negative, it means you will subtract two factors, and if this sign is positive, that means you are going to add the factors. Moreover, when this sign is positive, it means the bigger factor is positive. And if this sign is negative, it means the bigger factor is negative. So in 1 and 2, we shall take the bigger factor positive, smaller factor negative, plus 2 minus 1 will give you positive 1 minus 2. Making the pairs, from first you can have x common, x plus 2 remaining. Now they have nothing common, only 1 with the negative sign. Why we have taken negative sign outside? Because we need positive 2 inside. When we have taken minus outside, x will become positive, 2 will become positive. Your bracket is same, so your working is correct. You have taken the common bracket outside and the remaining items inside. The next question is x square minus 7x minus 8. Factors of 8. 8 is a composite number. We shall have 1, 8s are 8, 2 multiply 4. We have two options, either 1 and 8 or 2 and 4. We have no other option. This minus sign shows that we are going to subtract the factors. When we subtract 2 from 4, definitely we don't have 8. We don't have, 7. When we will subtract 8 and 1, we will get 7. So this one is selected. This sign shows that the bigger factor is negative. So we shall have x square minus 8x plus x minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7, and at the end minus 8. You can check minus plus minus, 8 ones are 8. This is 1x basically. 8 ones are 8 x square. Making the pairs, From the first pair, x common, x minus 8. From the second pair, 1 common, x minus 8. This is same. Working is correct. X minus 8 common, x plus 1 is remaining. This is your answer. Next question is m square minus 20m minus 21. Factors of 21. All factors of 21. 21 ones are in 2's table. 21 doesn't come because it's an odd number. 3 sevens are no other option. We have two options. This sign is negative. It shows that you have to subtract the factors. Okay, because one factor will be negative, other will be positive. When you shall multiply these two, you will have a negative sign. 21 and 1 will give you 20. M square minus 21m plus 1m will give you minus 20. Bigger factor will have negative sign, minus 21. You can make the pairs. You can also write m first. At the end you will have the same answer. M common, m minus 21, m common, m here, 1 m here, 1 m here, and 21 inside, m outside. What is common? Nothing common. You will take 1 outside. 1 is the multiple of everything, every number. So you can take 1 outside, m minus 21. You can see you have m minus 21 and m plus 1. Okay, if in the same question I write it in such a way that if I write m square plus m minus 21m minus 21, from this pair I will have m common, m plus 1, minus 21 common, m plus 1. This bracket will come as a common bracket and the remaining m minus 21 will be taken. So if you write m first or 21 first, it doesn't matter. A square plus 2h minus 120. Factors of 120. 1 into 120. 2 into 60. 3 into 40. 4 into 30. 5 into 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 24 5s are 120. 6 2s are 12. 20. 7 no, 8 1s are 8. 4 left. 8 5s are 15 8s are 120. You can see as we are increasing the number, from that side number is decreasing, and finally this difference will be finished. 9 10 into 12. This is the last factor. Okay, you have to subtract the factors to get 2. I think this is the only option in which we can subtract the factors. If I write a square, I have to take the first factor, the bigger factor, positive, 12h minus 10h minus 120, making the pairs. From the first pair, I shall take h outside, h plus 12 inside, minus common. I have to take negative sign common because inside the bracket I need positive. 10 outside, h plus 12 tens are 120. So we have the same pair, h plus 12, h minus 10. This is the answer. If you want to check your answer, you can multiply h square minus 10h plus 12h will give you 2h minus 120. If you multiply both brackets, you can get the original expression. In this question, definitely when we shall multiply 600 into 5, we shall have 3000. So we are not going to make the factors of 3000. We shall take 5 common. We will be having d square minus 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 20, 45, plus 5 1s are 5, 6, 5 2s are 10 and 0. We have to make the factors of 120. 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30. Keeping in mind we have both factors same, we have to add the factors, but both should be negative. 4 and 30, when we add, it is 34. 5 into, here we are, 24 and 5 is 29. Both are going to be subtracted. 24d and 5d will give you minus 29d along with this 120. When you shall take d common, you have d minus 24. When you will take 5 common, you will have d minus 24.